So, guys, basically, this is a machine learning model to predict the salary of yet to join candidates in a company XYZ based on their educational background. So, here we are going to predict something. So, we need a data set that stores the details of the current employees, right? So, let me show the data set to you. This is the dataset that contains all the details of the current employees in XYZ organization. And on a serious note, please don't take these all values seriously, guys, because I prepared this dataset by myself manually with some random values. So it is just for experimenting. So don't take them seriously. Fine. Now go to a web app and let's see what actually happened. So based on that data set, we have trained our model to predict the salaries, and here we are predicting the salaries. That is a continuous value, obviously. So here we are using basic linear regression. After modeling, we have built this easy to understand UI. Here you can see here are multiple fields that take inputs from the user, and after clicking the submit button you will see the expected salary based on these all parameters. So this UI is developed with the help of Streamlit, that is a Python library. You can explore that on internet. You don't need to know about HTML CSS much because Streamlit will do it for you. So let's have a quick demo on this. So first enter the candidate name, enter the university name, enter the university category that you have to select from the drop down menu. So mine is tag 2. The number of backlogs you have to select from the drop down also. You can use the plus button here to increment or decrement the number, or you can directly type your CGPA here. You have to select the year of passing from this drop down, and you have to select the highest degree that you have. Click the submit button here, and after processing all these things, you will get to see the expected salary for this particular candidate. And here, as you are seeing, that person can expect something around 28K based on his educational background from XYZ. This is not his generalized salary. This is only for XYZ organization. Okay, so let's enter another record. Enter the university name for Saurav. That is also a Tier 2 university. Let's assume that he has one backlog. His CGPA is something around 8.1. He's a 2020 pass out batch and he has done BE. Okay, so click on submit to get his salary. Saurav can expect something around 25K. Okay, so our task is not completed yet. The times we have entered the new records to this particular form, all these records are being stored in another CSV files along with their expected salaries in the backend of this project. So if I go to my working directory, here is another CSV file called as EMP details. Open that and you will get to see the records that we have recently entered. So let's try with a new entry again. So there is a student named John. He is from Harvard University. Whatever. Let me fix it. And that is a Tier 1 university. He has no backlog. He is having 9.5 CGPA. He's a topper guy and took a 21 pass out, and he has also done BTech. Submit the details, and you are getting this this error because your empdetails.csv file is already open, and when you are requesting to enter a new record with the click on the submit button in the code, it's they've written that with open, so it's trying to open the CSV file, but it's already open, so that's why it throws me this error. So let's close this details file and submit again. And check the CSV file again. You will get to see the details for John also. Here it is. So this is how basically you can build a model by your own with the help of Python, and you can basically deploy that model in web app in the form of web app with the help of Streamlit. So this was for this video, guys. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a thumb and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.